watching. Great to have you join the fun. On this clip, we want to calculate 2,756 divided by 26. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 2,756 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 26 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 2 big enough for 26 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 26 is larger than 2. So we must take the next digit 2. How many 26 are in 27? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 26, which gives us 26. Draw a line and subtract 27 minus 26, which leaves us with 1. Now we bring down the next digit 5, and this makes our new number 15. How many 26 are in 15? The answer is 0. Now multiply 0 by 26, which gives us 0. Draw a line and subtract 15 minus 0, which leaves us with 15. Now we bring down the next digit 6, and this makes our new number 156. How many 26 are in 156? The answer is 6. Now multiply 6 by 26, which gives us 156. Draw a line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 106. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like.